So I want to change spark plugs, and just please ignore this mess because I'm doing some maintenance. And it is a pain in the ass in this motorcycle because there are 4 spark plugs, and at this moment like 2 are quite easily accessible. One is here, one is here, another one I can reach through this hole. Where is it? You can see it probably. But the 4th one is very hard to reach. It is inside here. I hope you can see. But to reach it, you need to take all this, I don't know how to say it, fender. Maybe it's possible to reach through this hole. I will try, but most likely I'm gonna need to take this fender. Yeah, but now I think let's start from the most easiest one, this one. Oh, and the head is 18 millimeters. Oh, it was quite easy. Okay. Let's see. That looks not too bad. Should fit. We can install this one. Okay. First one is done. Now let's try another one. Nice. So in my case, I already removed the valve cover because I need to change the gasket. So for me it's gonna be a bit easier. But for you, you can access through this hole. Okay, let's see how it looks. Alright, I need some paper. Okay. And it's a very tight fit, so try to buy a like a possible thinner tool. Okay. Now this one looks a bit worse. but still not super bad. Okay, not bad. Okay, this one done. Okay, so this side will be very easy to change. It's super easy. And I wish all those spark plugs would be the same easy to access, because if you read manual, I'm not sure do you need to do that, but by the manual you need to change all 4 spark plugs every time you change oil. So this is every 12,000 kilometers. So yeah. Okay, let's begin with this one. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, it's in now. Okay, this one in. This one is quite okay too. Okay, let's carefully put it back. Okay. Okay, spark number 3 done, and now let's continue with the last one. Huh? And why are you not? Woohoo! Okay, so I still can't take it off because there is two wires for a blinker, but I can put like this. Okay. So now we can finally see a spark plug. I hope you can see it. And let's try to remove it. And even now it's pretty hard actually to access it. Okay. Wow, it's very deep inside. I think I got it. I hope so. Did I? No. Yes. Or no. Yeah, it looks like I reached it. Well. So unfortunately I don't have any more video how I changed the last plug, but I managed to change it. I was not able to reach a spark plug with this tool. It was just too big, but eventually I got the right tool, and I don't have it now, so I will try just to explain what kind of tool you need. You need a head with very thin walls, and the head should be quite short. I will put a link to the Amazon to kind of similar tool, but I don't know if this tool would do a job. But just to give you example,